Kaze everyone, so today we're gonna be cutting our coffee soap. We have our handmade coffee soap, unscented. It's just the coffee that you'll be smelling, and coffee is really good for like toning out your skin and tightening. Like toning, I mean like tightening your skin, like, you know, if you have saggy parts or like it's really good for a lot of things. I'll go ahead and list some of the things here. This coffee beans are straight from Burundi. I ordered them through a vendor that produces coffee from Burundi. So if you're interested in trying it out, this is dedicated to my hometown where I lived for a couple years, and from my parents' side where they lived for a number of years. So it's dedicated, this soap is dedicated to Burundi. That's where I learned my Kirundi from. So but I also lived in Tanzania. They also speak Kirundi. A majority of them speak Kirundi there, and majority of them speak Swahili. So it's like a combination of Swahili, French, and Kirundi. Same thing in Burundi. Those are the main languages: Kirundi, French, and Swahili not so much, but definitely French and Kirundi. And what's the other language? And English. Actually, English is becoming a very popular language in East Africa. They're starting to teach it. Actually, they're already teaching it in schools as a second language. So very soon, English language will be a widely known and a widely spoken language. It already is. Okay guys, so we're gonna be releasing a new soap. It's a coffee soap, and it's actually made with Burundian coffee. So I don't know what I'm gonna call this one. Maybe I'll call it Miss Burundi or something like that. I wanted to do something that will be dedicated to my home place. So yeah. So this is brewed coffee. For those of you who don't know, Burundi is very known for its coffee. I'm gonna add a little bit of the coffee, and then later on I add a lot more for the exfoliation. So this is a little bit, the bits and pieces. It started to look more like a pizza. But this is our mold. We're gonna go ahead and add it to our mold. Wow, this soap is gonna be really good. how much we got of it. I don't think there'll be any bubbles in this one, so I won't smack it down. Ooh, I can feel the little coffee grounds. The leftover batter, soap batter in this one. Hopefully it could fit into one at least. Fit into molds. How put it all the way at the end? Let's put it here. Please fit. This is for my own personal use, guys. This little massage bar. I haven't started selling them yet. Oh wow, it like fits perfectly. Look at our gloves. We got some new gloves that we're trying out. We're gonna open up our coffee soap. Oh, you guys should smell this room. It smells like fresh brewed coffee in the morning. Like when you walk into a coffee shop like Starbucks, Dunkin' Donut, the smell of coffee that you smell when you walk in the morning. That's how it smells in here. I think I'm loving the coffee soap already. It's gonna be my favorite one, so let's see. So I actually have two of them here. I have this one that I used in this mode, and I have some leftover coffee soap that I ended up using in this mode. So we're gonna go ahead and unmold them. Unmold these coffee soap today. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unmold this coffee soap today. Look at the nice, it has coffee grounds, so it will add a little exfoliation to the skin. That's it right here. I'll go ahead and get to the cutting. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and unmold our soap. We'll start with the small one. This is the massage bar leftover soap that we didn't want to waste. Oh, it looks so good. It looks like oh, it came out so perfectly chewed. I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. Look at this. This is the, ooh, I like those little beads, those little brown colors. This literally came out so perfectly shaped. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I'm on this one. I'm excited for this one. Okay. Ooh, nice. Nice. Look at that mocha. So I haven't named this soap bar yet. You can go ahead and comment down what you think I should name this beauty. This beauty from Burundi. Huh, maybe that should be the name. Beauty from Burundi. Miss Burundian. Maybe it should be Miss Burundian or something. I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's coffee soap. It's a coffee. It's a coffee soap. Yay. Soap right here. Let's start with this one. That's the only one that needs cutting anyways. Okay. Ooh, first first cut. Nice. Oh my goodness. Not sure if you guys can see. Ah, so beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah. 4 to 6 weeks, and then this will actually be available in the beginning of January. So, you know, new year, new soap. Ooh, nice. That will be sold with this soap. Ooh, nice. I used to have a hard time with like cutting the right shape. Oh, it is so perfect. Nice. For our cutting. Okay guys, so that's it for our cutting today. I hope you enjoyed the little cutting ASMR, talking ASMR. So if you did enjoy it, please comment below and let me know, or give this video a like. But this is the soap bar. This is the soap bars. We got the coffee grounds, and so we brewed some coffee first, and we used that water as our light water. So that's what's giving it this nice, delicious coffee color. Ooh. Yes. Coffee, coffee, coffee. But anyways, this is the soap. There it is. We're gonna wait till it cures, and we'll peel the sides so it doesn't have any sharp edges, and then we would do a leather test to see how well it leathers, and also a pH test to make sure it's on the green side, it's on the neutral side. So yeah, that is all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you liked it, please give this video a like. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, or if you're a returning subscriber, or if you're a returning viewer who hasn't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can support my YouTube channel and my small business. It's no cost to you. It's just clicking the subscribe button so that whenever I post a video, it will show up to your newsfeed. That is all it is to it. But anyways, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.